Well, it all seemed like it's set for a positive day today, given that we had supportive set of global cues to start off trade. It seemed like we're going to make a dash to that lifetime high for us. We actually did get quite close to the 15,300 mark, but failed to stay at that level. Soon after, we cooled off and closed in absolutely flat for ourselves, and that's where we actually spent the better part of today's trading session absolutely flat, and similar was the case with the market breadth as well. So on closing, you've got the Nifty futures just scaling up at that 15,200 level, just a meager marginal uptick, and the breadth as well has been pretty even Steven with 82 advances to about 77 to the declines within the F&O universe. What was dragging then? It was clearly HDFC Bank, which dragged quite a fair bit. The management indicated in one of their calls to renowned brokerage, stating that they do see retail delinquencies as well as stress on the asset quality going forward, and that's something that did not go down well with the street. About a 2% downtick is what you saw in HDFC Bank, and given its high weightage on both the Nifty Bank as well as the Nifty per se as well, it had a bit of a lukewarm impact on the index and closed in flat for itself. HDFC Bank lost in excess of 2%. ICICI Bank, Kotak, even SBI, which has seen 2 days of a heady run-up after its numbers on Friday. Today, SBI closed in marginally soft, down about almost 0.2%. The other trend which emerged in today's trading session was metals. They came back after 15 days of almost a hiatus coming in. So metals as a pack held out very smartly. You had Tata Steel, JSW, etc., which were all holding up in trade, and metals actually was one of the big winners in today's trading session. The other pocket of strength in which really re-emerged as a winner today was the reopening trade, with many states now lifting lockdowns, and states like Delhi as well as Mumbai, the numbers are now increasingly coming down. The hope trade or the reopen trade really came back with a vengeance. So everything from aviation to hospitality to even QSR, or for that matter even multiplexes, these were the stocks which jumped up in today's trading session. Case in point being PVR held out quite smartly, about a 2% bump up coming in there. Interglobe Aviation, some of the hotel names, the likes of an IHCL, Chalet, Lemon Tree, etc., were in focus as well. And then, of course, there were other names like a BBQ Nation, which reported a very strong set of Q4 numbers. That stock as well held out very, very smartly, locked in upper circuit. That's how it shut shop. Couple of disappointments aside of HDFC Bank from within the larger universe, also Maharashtra batteries, wherein the 10% block deal happened earlier today. A BEL, which cooled off by about 5%, Chola Finance, Cummins, ICICI Pru, Adani Enterprises. These were a couple of laggards in trade. Come tomorrow, the key thing to look out for, of course, is going to be what happens to banks, whether they fall any further. And then, of course, you've got BPCL, which is slated to report its numbers.